Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 97. I request you guys to check playlist up to part 96 you will find. Please go through them whatever has been given. So let us see exactly what it has been given in the slides. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born in the city of, that is Cuttack. We knew that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the one who had formed Azad Hind Fauj, as well as it is also known as Indian National Army. So it is formed by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So he was born in which place? That is Cuttack of Orissa. The Mughal emperor was coronated twice. As you can see to the right side how exactly Aurangzeb, he was the one who had been coronated twice. He was a Mughal emperor. The manuscript of which of the following scriptures has been included in the UN heritage, that is Rig Veda. We knew that there are various Vedas, Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved and Atharvan Ved. Among all these, in this Rig Veda, whatever the manuscript of this UN heritage has been, these type of scriptures have been given in this. Tungabhadra project is a joint river project between Andhra Pradesh as well as Karnataka. This project exists. Next we have the Attorney General of India. We knew that there are various posts in our nation. The Attorney General of India is appointed by the President of India under the Article 76. We knew that even the Chief Justice of India is nominated by the President. Here the Attorney General of India is appointed by the President according to the Article 76. Kaveri is the longest river of Tamil Nadu. Please remember that in the South India the longest river is Godavari. But in the case of Tamil Nadu, the Kaveri is the longest river in Tamil Nadu. This originates from Talakaveri. Falkland Islands has been a disputed territory between Britain and Argentina. As you can see to the right side how exactly the island of Falkland, this has been disputed. The disputed territory between the Britain as well as Argentina. The provision of contingency fund of India has been made under the Article 267. So please remember what are the provision of this contingency fund which is mentioned under Article 267. Next we have the first scholar to use the term Indus civilization. He was John Marshall. So he was a maiden scholar to use the term Indus civilization. As you can see how exactly the civilization of Indus Valley, that term had been formulated by John Marshall. The committees is associated with the reforms in small industries. As per the Chellaya committee, whatever the reforms of small industries had been formulated. The award concerning to the agriculture, we knew that the father of Green Revolution in the world, that is Norman Borlaug. In this Borlaug award has been given for the concerning to the agriculture. The father of Sanskrit grammar, that is Panini, who had composed Ashtadhyayani, he is the father of Sanskrit for the grammar. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and you can directly go through whatever has been given in this. That is more than 800 plus question papers have been given. Please directly go through my playlist and share it to your friends also, which are very useful. It has been segregated into various playlists. You can directly go through them. So let us see what we have in the next slide. The Raja Ram Mohan Rai was as the morning star of Indian Renaissance. We knew that Brahma Samaj was founded by the Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He had also encouraged and abolished the Sati Pratha and encouraged English education system during the time of Lord William Bentinck. And Raja Ram Mohan Rai, he was also known as a morning star of Indian Renaissance. The book Romancing with the Life had been written by Dev Anand. We knew that he is one of the famous actor. The book which was authored is Romancing with the Life, had been authored by Dev Anand. Next we have the vitamin K, that is phylloquinone is the chemical name of vitamin K. India's first special economic zone that dedicated to the aerospace industry has been launched at Belgaum. Please remember that in Belgaum we can see the first special economic zone which is dedicated to the aerospace industry that has been launched at Belgaum, which is in Maharashtra. Next we have the farm settlement in South Africa where Gandhiji developed the non-violent resistance tactics which later helped to topple British rule in India, that is Phoenix settlement. This is what exactly you have to remember. As per the Phoenix settlement, the farm settlement in South Africa where Gandhiji developed the non-violent resistance tactics which later helped to topple British rule in India. Who has been called as the silver-tongued orator in India, that is V. Srinivasa Shastri was the one. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Srinivasa Shastri looks like. He was called as a silver-tongued orator in India. A form of rock that comes from a volcano, that is, we knew that whatever the magma and lava which comes out of the volcano, that is pumice stone is the one which comes out of the volcano. The name of Israel parliament is known as Panchayat. Please remember, whatever the name of Israel parliament is known as what? That is Panchayat. The state known as the Tiger State of India, that is Madhya Pradesh, is called as the Tiger State of India. The formation of ISRO stands in Indian Space Research Organization, which was established in 1969. As you can see, on the August 15th, it was formed under Department of Atomic Energy. So it was formed on 1969, in the year 1969 on 15th of August. The excavation of Mohenjo-daro made in which year? That is in the year 1921. This excavation of Mohenjo-daro had been made by R.D. Banerjee. Next we have the headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. So you can see North Atlantic Treaty Organization, the headquarters of it is located in Brussels. Operation Blackboard was a governmental plan to improve national program of school education. This is what you have to remember. The Operation Blackboard was a governmental plan to improve national program of school education. Bulbul is the state bird of which state? That is Goa. So in Goa you will find this bulbul state bird. The Dobson unit is a measure for the physical thickness of the ozone layer. As you can see how exactly the thickness of the ozone layer is measured in what? In Dobson unit. The traditional flower arrangement called Atpu. As you can see, Atpu flower patterns which is celebrated during the time of Onam festival. This type of arrangements be done with the help of flowers. Nongkrem dance festival is celebrated in which place? In Meghalaya. This type of dance festival, that is Nongkrem, is celebrated. Cookies belong to the state of Mizoram. Please remember, Ongi belongs to the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Cookies belongs to the Mizoram. The Operation Flood, that refers to what? That refers to the milk. That's it, guys. These are the few questions which I had compiled from the various sources. You can directly go through them. This is my mobile number 7666730252. You can call me or message me. You will be given 2100 PDF of GK and GS. So I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.